Good morning. It's again time for our daily 2-minute Bible reading and thought. I'm going to read from James's letter, the 3rd chapter, the 9th and the 10th verses. With our lips we bless the Lord and Father, and with our lips we curse those who are made in the likeness of God. From the same mouth come blessings and cursing. My brothers and sisters, this ought not to be so. May the Lord add a blessing to the word. We can either speak things that heal, or we can speak things that hurt. And a lot of the times we don't even realize who is hearing the words that we speak. Back before we got the good weather, and it was still spitting and snowing out in April, I had the two of the grandkids in the back seat of the car, and my wife and I were driving along, and I saw that snow coming, and to be facetious, I said, well, April snow brings May flowers. And one grandson sitting in the back had himself engrossed in this video game. He shouted out, no, it's April showers bring May flowers. Now, he was so engrossed in that video game, yet he was also hearing and comprehending every word of a conversation that was taking place in the front seat. And it reminds us, it's not just the little kids around us, but it's all the people around us. It's the people we speak directly to, and it's where our words go out and we have absolutely no idea how far-reaching they're going to be. Well, the scripture says that our words should not be that way. It says it ought not be that. And I know that it's difficult, and so many times I stop and think, man, I wish I could take those words back, or I catch myself saying some negative things, and I know that's not correct, and then it makes me feel kind of bad. I do know this. Anytime that I speak words of compassion, anytime I can speak words that are encouraging to somebody, it feels good inside. And if their eyes light up and they feel like they have been accepted, it's like joy on top of joy. So if we want to be joyful, let's keep the words where they build up and encourage and have compassion and draw people together. It'll make a better day. May God bless us. Amen.